John and I are about to get started on one of my absolute top bucket list hikes for this year for the state of Colorado. We are about to hike to Crater Lake at the base of Lone Eagle Peak. It is about 6:15, 6:30 on September 17th. And the date's important because permits are required at this area until September 15th. So we're taking the first weekend without permits. We're about to strap up and get going here. Try to see how far we can make it into the night. Wake up next to that beautiful mountain. Ready, John?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like you're ready. Starting off at the Monarch Lake Trailhead. Crater Lake is going to be our final destination. It's 9:15 on Saturday morning. Last night we made it exactly halfway to the 4-mile mark and set up camp. It was pitch black. We were in bed by 9 o'clock and now it's 9:15. We're getting ready to hit it and do the rest of this trail. Go ahead, Maria. That's it! That's Lone Eagle Peak! Woo! All right, Maria, let's go! Okay, we made it. Let's go see what the view's like. All right, it's like 8:30 in the morning. We're getting ready to pack up and say goodbye to Lone Eagle Peak. It's been an amazing weekend. 8 miles down. Let's book it. There's the lake. We're almost to the car. All right, we did it. Indian Peaks, 16 miles round trip. Took us 3 hours and 10 minutes to get down the 8 miles. Made it back to Denver.